So, you have learned about how to tell time to the hour and to the half hour. We worked together as a class and you've done some practice on your own. So, now I would like you to show me what you know by filling out this worksheet. There are two different worksheets, but you'll only be completing one of them. And I want to make sure that you grab the right one. So, you are going to grab the one with the green star on the page. When you get your worksheet, double check that it has the green star on it, and then you can put your name and number on the top and get started. You'll see a couple of questions. The first two show a clock, and you have to write what time it is showing. So you'll have to look at the hour hand and the minute hand to show to see what time it is. The middle two are the opposite. So it's showing a clock, but it doesn't have the hour or middle hands. It will ask you to draw the hour and minute hand to show a certain time. So, for example, when it says to draw the hands of the clock to show 8:30, you'll draw the hour hand and the minute hand to show 8:30. Then it's important to remember that there's two sides to this worksheet. So you'll have to flip the page over and see what's on the back. On the back, you will match an analog clock to the digital clock by drawing a line to connect them, the ones that have the same time. When you're done, make sure you put your name and number at the top, and then you can put it in the homework basket.